Good morning. Welcome back to Alchemy online classes. Student, in the last part of the video, we had discussed about your life cycle of a butterfly and life cycle of a housefly. We learn about that there are basically four stages in the life cycle of a butterfly. Okay, your adult butterfly give 100 of eggs. Okay, and then these eggs converted into the larva, which later converted into the pupa and then come to your adult butterfly. Okay, so that is what we have discussed. Now today we will going to learn about reptiles. Now what are reptiles? Yes, your snakes, your turtle, crocodile and lizard form a group of animal. That group is known as reptiles. Okay, what are reptiles? Snakes, your turtles, your crocodile and lizard form a group of animals, and that group of animals called reptiles. You know what? Reptile lay eggs. You know, your snake lay eggs on the ground. Turtle and crocodile dig shallow pits near river banks to lay their egg. And you know, some mother of reptiles go away and never come back after laying the egg. So your reptile is the group of animal which lay eggs. And what are mammals? You know, in the first video when we had started the chapter, we learn about mammals. Yes, your mammals. Mammals which give rise to young ones. Where your reptiles, those animals which lay eggs. Okay, your snake, turtle, crocodile, and lizard. And you know there is one more interesting fact. You learn about the octopus. You know when the eggs of the octopus hatch, means the young one come out from the egg, their mother dies. Yes, their mother dies. So that is something about your reptiles. Now let's do our checkpoint number 2 first. So your second checkpoint number. Dash is the young one of a frog that look more like a tiny fish. You know, we have learned about the life cycle of a frog. So how many stages in comes in the life cycle of a frog? Yes, mainly for, okay, your adult frog lay eggs. Okay, that egg converted into tadpole. Then after some time that started to develop certain organ. Okay, then it converted into young frog. So that dash is the young one of a frog that looks more like a tiny fish. Yes, your tadpole. That is your answer. Your tadpole is the young one of a frog that looks more like a tiny fish. A baby housefly is called a dash. This is the larva stage. Then the larva became a dash before it turned into a housefly. So a baby housefly is called a dash. At larval stage, what the baby housefly is called? Maggot. But it is called your maggot. Okay, and then the larva becomes a dash before it turns into a housefly. But it becomes pupa. Okay, before turning into a housefly. So that is your checkpoint number 2. So today what we have learned about your reptiles. Okay, we learn about that they lay eggs at different places, and some reptiles lay eggs and never came back to see their young ones. Then we have done our checkpoint, that is your checkpoint number 2. Till now we have covered your life cycle of insect. Okay, life cycle of a frog. In starting we have learned about mammals. Okay, we learn about that there are some animals which give birth to young ones. Okay, and there are some animal which give eggs, which lay eggs. Okay, so we learn about that what is present inside the egg. We learn about their layer of the egg, that there is a shell, yolk, albumen. Then we learn about life cycle of a frog, that adult hen give eggs. Okay, then come incubation period where it sit on the eggs, it sit on the egg, and then come hatching, then your chick is developed from the egg. Then we learn about life cycle of a frog, that a frog lay 100 of eggs in the water, and then has the egg hatches, then tadpole, and then come tadpole stage. Then after some time these tadpoles started to develop their organ, then it converted into young frog, and that young frog later converted into adult frog. Then we learn about fishes, that fishes also lay eggs in the water. Your baby fish hatch from the egg. Then we learn about insects, in which we learn about the life cycle of a butterfly and life cycle of a housefly, where we learn that your adult housefly, which lay eggs. Okay, which firstly lay eggs, then these eggs converted into larva, then they develop the covering around themselves, which is known as pupa, and then it is converted into the adult housefly. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.